Then, in order to stream audio showing their audio device connected. So to stream audio, we go into music. We'll find a different track. Oh dear me. Go into library playlists. No. We'll have It's a Beautiful Day. As soon as it's raining, a bit of Michael Bublé here. On to Michael Bublé, and then we'll turn this up. I don't know why you think that's... Right, it's an awful day really, but there you go. That's how to stream audio. Fantastic speakers in here, these Meridian speakers. It's a great sound system. Obviously, sound deadening glass and all the sound insulation in the cabin. It's a really pleasant environment to listen to music. Great car. I love these.